All right, y'all, it is that time again. Welcome back to another Sunday reset. What are we doing? We're making green juice, we're cleaning, we're cleansing, we're keeping that home smelling fresh, looking good. So if you want to pull up, girl, I'm gonna be ready because my home is always looking good. Now, if you come too early, the bed, we might need to spread the bed, but guess what? That's simple. That's 5 minutes. By the time you're at the gate and it's time to pull up, it's already done. But welcome back, guys. Today, like every other reset, we're resetting for the week, and I'm making some green juice so I could drink this. Ugh. Now, the first thing I'm doing as soon as I get up, I decided to let's go in the kitchen and I'm just gonna make this juice because I need to drink it. I actually made enough for 3 days, so I'm saying to myself, okay, we're gonna cleanse and we're gonna drink something green because most of the time, to be honest, my cucumbers, my green beans, celery, I want to buy to juice it because I cannot eat that thing. And yeah, so I had them in the fridge and I was like, you know what better way, to start my week than to have something healthy that I can drink every single morning, a cup every single morning. And that's exactly what we're doing. So as soon as I get out of bed, this is what I did. I came in the kitchen, started to make this, and I was like, I'm gonna be ready for the week. All right, when I see this, I'm gonna gear myself up, and then guess what, we're starting the gym as well. So what better way than to drink a cup of this before we head out to the gym? Now, I am using cucumbers, we're using celery, we're using green beans, and I add ginger. The ginger seal it off. When you drink this, it just tastes green, but when you add that ginger, it just have a little, it boosts it, and then there's just a little spice to it. Not too much, but it tastes like something that you can drink without adding sweetener or sugar or whatever you add to sweeten your juice. This is all you need to do it. Do not add no sugar, don't add anything. All right, and this will detox, and it's also healthy. Most of the times I make this for my blood pressure to keep it under control, and it's something good. So I cannot eat the celery, but I'll juice it because I cannot eat it. That's one vegetable that I cannot eat. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're gonna blend it, strain it, juice it, drink a cup, and boom, get it on. Boost the body, make the body feel ready, a little green. When you see the bottle in the fridge, it say, you know what, let me drink another cup. And I'm also taking my liquid iron. So I'm doing a lot, I have some more pills that I'm gonna tell you guys about, but definitely that will be in a vlog to itself. Just boots in my body. We're getting into that age where we have to keep our body up. And if we cannot eat the vegetables in time, juice it and drink it. Give the kids some, give your husband some, your boyfriend, just drink it, bring it to work because we need it. We're wasting money throwing these stuff away in the garbage. Why not just juice it and drink it and get it over with, So that's exactly what I am doing. So I'm telling you guys to do it. Now I try to use the smallest strainer that I have because I don't like to feel that grainy feeling in my mouth. I'm doing a shot. I'm taking a shot. That's what I'm calling it. So this is the first cup that I'm drinking. Bougie. We're drinking it bougie, okay? That way we can say, you know what? Let's drink this thing. Now it's time for us to head into the room. After I'm done that, boost up the body. I didn't even drink any tea. It's time to get this room together because we're going to bust it down with cleaning. Open my windows. I told y'all, as soon as I get out of bed, I went straight into the kitchen. So now I'm going to open my windows. This is how I know I'm awake. Once the windows are open, it tells you that I am awake. If my windows are not open, I'm going back to bed. So we're doing that, and then we're going to make our bed. And I think I like the combination of what I'm doing with my bed now. It kind of, you know, jazz it up a little bit instead of just making it flat. And that's something that I want to invest in. Good bedding, okay? I mean, these are not the best, but hey, I told y'all you should have told me about the mattress cover, and I absolutely love it. So big up y'all selves. We finally got one. I know some of you guys have it, but I finally got mine. So anybody who don't have it, go get it, okay? It just flush and nice. But anywho, we're gonna make the bed, and then after that, it's gonna put me in that zone and say, girl, it's time to clean. I do clean every single week, so we're gonna get into that. Now y'all, tell me how my bed look. Just tell me. I feel like it's bougie with those karate chop. Oh, it looks so good. Now it's time to head in my bathroom. Normally cleaning, I start in the master bathroom. I'll go in the powder room, and then we're gonna work our way upstairs. Now my wig was here. We went to Disney. I had everything lingering on here because your girl was tired for the rest of the other day and today and the day to come. Yeah, I was extremely tired. This week bust my ass, okay? Now I'm spraying. I use bleach to clean, and I preferably like to use the mold and mildew, and I'll spray all the bathroom first. And I like to use Fab. I know enough people don't use it, but I like to use Fab. That's what we call it, right? Soap powder. What do they call it over here? Whatever, you know what I'm talking about. The powder one. That's what we're using. So that's what I'm using. I start to clean my sink first, wash all the area because our countertops are white. So I have to make sure I spray the bleach and wipe it off. And then since we change our pipes, I'm telling you, I have to wash them, especially the kids' bathroom. There's toothpaste, it looks white, so I have to do that. Now, we don't use this, but this is where Olivia takes her shower, so I have to clean this twice per week because she'll sit in there. Sometimes I fill it with water and she'll just relax and try to swim. So we have to clean this part for sure. Every single week, twice per week, okay? And then I'm almost done with my bathroom, and I like to spray my spray away. I use this instead of the Windex because it's not liquid, it's foamy, and it gets the job done every time. Absolutely love it. Let me tell you guys something. I'll probably not clean every single day, but you see my mirrors in the house, I have to wipe these every time. Most of the time Kushain is brushing his teeth and they're messy. I go back and I have to clean it. I keep a spray away in my bathroom. I keep one in the powder bathroom. Well, not directly in that bathroom, but I keep it in the cupboard, in the passage area under that cupboard. I keep one upstairs because I have to clean these mirrors every day, okay? That's exactly what we're doing. I was just there because I thought I saw someone, so I was peeping. But yeah, I'm cleaning the mirrors. The room is already good. The only thing I forgot to do was to vacuum my bedroom. That's the only thing, and I'm gonna do it, you know, I did it, but it was off camera. So that's the only thing I didn't do, because Janae, she's the one who vacuumed upstairs. And now, guess what we're gonna do? Now I decided to push back the furnitures, vacuum the rug that's in this area, and just give it a complete sweep, vacuum, whatever you want to call it. Now I don't normally do this every single week or every day or none of that, because I don't even vacuum every day, to be honest. I mop the floors every day. We change the floors, and I was like, I'm not gonna do it, but it's just something, it'll take me 5 minutes, and I don't think it's a pressure, okay? Now, pushing back the furnitures, there's always either snack, dirt, stuff that rolls and go under it, or stuff like that. And I did that. I normally do it like twice per month, to be honest. Sometimes once per month, I'm gonna be honest. Because when I'm mopping the floors, most of the times I'll lift the rug up and I'll just mop around the edges. So this was well needed. I'm gonna get the rug clean closer to Thanksgiving, December time. So we're gonna take care of that. And now my kitchen was already clean, because I cleaned my kitchen the night before. So the only thing I did was to make the juice. We did not have that to worry about until we cooked dinner in the evening. Now guys, I thought this thing was recording and it was not. After I'm done with their bathroom, I'm gonna go in Amelia and Kyra's room. They did not spread their bed. I'm just gonna do it because I'm already here and I'm doing cleaning. Janae is the one who vacuum upstairs every single week, and then because she has glass furniture, she has to clean it as well with the sprayway. So I'm just gonna make their bed and take care of that. You know, they're kids that keep their room clean. I am that parent. You gonna have to keep your room. You're not gonna close no door. Yeah, the room have to keep clean. So I just went ahead and spread the bed for them. The most they'll do is you'll see toys once they're playing with them on the floor. But I'm not gonna lie, they do a good job. So big up them kids, okay? And Janae, we don't even have to talk about her because she's in her teenage years where her bed spread neat, to be honest. So it's just Queen and Kyra, and I didn't make the bottom sheet. I'm sorry, y'all. You know what? I didn't do it. I'm guilty. I do it for my bed, but on this day I was like, let's just put this quilt over it and get over it. Now it's time to mop the floors, and I use pine salt, bleach, vinegar, a little bit of the Fab soap, if that's what you guys call it, hot water for sure, okay? And I love it. Give me pine salt over Fabuloso every day. I feel like Fabuloso is a bit raw, in my opinion. I don't love it. I love Fabuloso. I love pine salt rather, and that's just that. Absolutely love it. House smell fresh, smell good. That to hot water, ooh, it's so good, okay? And that's what I do. Now guys, we are done, completely done. It's time for me to go take a shower and relax. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for being here. Until the next one, God is love, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.